Hello, welcome back guys. The last video we have talked about the for loop syntax. Today I will creating some examples and we will taking along about for loops. The first example, I will creating a basic HTML page. Or creating HTML. Okay. I will creating select and I will creating option. This option will taking numbers from 1 to 3, 4. This will take number from 1 to 13. This will take a label day. We have another select for years and another one for months. Years, this result day, months and years. From the logical, I can't using this not this not right way to using to program. You are a programmer, you can use less line of code to creating this example. I will using for loops to create this without duplicating the lines. The first I will open PHP tags here. You can use PHP tags and inside any HTML tag. Okay, let's start our for loop syntax. For open our brackets and the first parameter is will take a variable increment equal 1. We starting from 1 and the condition will end where less than or equal 31 days. Okay, you can enter the increment here and echo your option and echo your option. You can echo your option here. We will using concatenate. Okay, let's say the result here. Oh, we have an error. Oh, should be less than. Let's see. Okay, we have from 1 to 31. Okay, we can use the incrementation here and we can use the incrementation here. We can use the incrementation here after finishing the first one. Let's see, it will give the same result. Okay, I can repeat this code on months and on years, but it changes only the max value. The condition is 12, and the condition here will start from 150 950 to our year. Okay, let's see. We have a day from 1 to 31. We have months from 1 to 12 months. We have the year from year until our year. This was the example. You will not creating all this codes. You will repeat this. We have tables maybe contains 1,000 or 1,000,000 people data. We can create a duplication our code. This was a very simple example for using for loops. Another example, we have a variable names equal an array equals Muhammad, and it contains some names. It contains also some names. Okay, for example, I want to echo all values of this array. If you can echo names, this our index 0. The arrays starts from 0 1 2 3. This takes 0, this takes 1, this takes 3 for infinity. If I want to echo the first value of an array, you will give the select index 0. Echo, it should printing Muhammad. Let's say Muhammad. Okay, if I want to echo all these names, I will not creating that 1 2 and 3. We have Muhammad, Ahmed, Kuku, Sarah. Okay, this wrong way to printing an array. You can using for loops to print this. For we can creating our variable starts from 0. Now starts from 0 because our index starts from 0. Okay, our condition I less than or equals count. This count is built in function in PHP. It's count any array. Okay, our array names and our increment. Okay, we will echo. Let's use br. We have used br here and add our variable incrementation. Let's say we have this result: Muhammad, Ahmad, Kuku, Sarah. Okay, for this error I have forget to create this. Okay, we have created a short code. If we have 1,000 of names, we can print all this 1,000 names from this code. Okay, this was a very simple about for loop. We will getting more examples about for loop when we starting using MySQL database and PHP. We will use for loop all time. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Please, if you like the video, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you later.